Okay. Another difference is also there. Stored procedure can contain one command. Okay. Stored procedure can contain one command, whereas your normal function or a function, okay, will not contain one command. What is the difference? What is the basic difference you have to know? ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମେ stored procedure ରେ ଗୋଟେ database କରିବା कि ଯେତେବେଳେ PL/SQL ଗୋଟେ store procedure କୁ ଯିବା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ତାର ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ sub programs ଆମେ ଲେଖିବା ତ it will hold one command, okay, or it contain only one command, but in a function it will not contain, okay, it will not contain any command. So that is why in today's market or in the open source market, all the small or big scale industries will use PL/SQL. Okay, that is why all these things will be implemented or implementing on our latest technology. So all these frameworks nowadays will depend upon this type of database, that is a PL/SQL database. Your ASP.NET, okay, you have to do all the backend work by using PL/SQL. These are the basic things you have to understand, because in today's market all these things you have to learn if you are doing some real time project. Okay, so for the ASP.NET PL/SQL backend we have to use, and for that a framework is needed. Okay, a framework is needed to develop an application. So for that framework an IDE is required, which is nothing but a integrated development environment. बुझेला? देखो यही सब जिनस कौन भाई कहूँ काली सकाळे तमे गोटे कोठी की इंडस्ट्री को जीवो, this type of work they will give you. First they will told you that which type of tools you have been used. Okay, so you are our students, so first you have to learn the demo project. Okay, how it will execute, okay, or how it will develop. So for that we need to know all these things and trying to figure out what are the requirements we need in the project. So today we will discuss all these things for that purpose. Okay, so framework, why we need a framework to doing some project work. Okay, framework is having the libraries and your runtime. Okay, a framework is a collection of libraries and a runtime. Okay, so what is libraries and what is runtime? I think almost you knew very well, but let us discuss all these things. Your predefined code is your libraries. Okay, libraries is nothing but your predefined code. Okay, your predefined code. Predefined means already it will inbuilt in your IDE. Predefined means you have to define before when you start your program. Okay. Nowadays today's market, all this project work will be more simpler and easy to develop because of this type of predefined codes. All these things are ready-made. Okay. All these things are ready-made. Okay. 80% predefined code will be available. So you have to just drag and drop all these things. Okay. So all these ready-made things or all your predefined code, it is compatible with your operating system in today's version or in recent version. So for that we have to do our project work. So what is libraries and what is runtime in ASP.NET? Libraries is nothing but your predefined code. All of you remember these things. Libraries is nothing but your predefined code. Or what are the runtime required in ASP.NET or any technology? So best ever technology, or you have to take, there are so many runtimes, but nowadays some big scale industries will take WPF and WCF. Okay. So what the runtimes are available in ASP.NET or any technology or any web technology? ASP.NET or ASP application is used only the purpose of web design. Okay. For the purpose of web design. So web design is the first goal for a ASP.NET application. You can take so many applications in today's open source market. There are other market. There are so many technologies are there. One is your MVC, which is your model view controller, and another one is your Silverlight. Okay, and your best preferable is your jQuery, Ajax. All these technology in today's market we have been used. So for that, let us leave it all these things. Now today we will discuss the ASP.NET application or ASP.NET. Okay. So libraries is nothing but your predefined code, and there are so runtimes in ASP.NET. So what are the runtimes? For every framework it will have their own runtime, or for their own libraries it will take its own runtime. Okay. WPF, WCF is also there, like your JVM in Java. So for Java, JVM is the runtime for Java. Okay. So first we need to know what are the framework we have to be used, or how we develop a project, or how we integrate all these things in a database. Okay. सो आमे जते बेले देखुथिले स्टोर प्रोसीजर ट्रिगर फंक्शन और स्टोर प्रोसीजर फंक्शन और नॉर्मल फंक्शन जहाँ भी किसी फंक्शन